Hi there, it's Miss Bush. You did great work with your twirly birds and you saw how air pushed it and made it go in a circle. Then you did amazing work with your parachute and it caught a lot of air. Today for our project, it's called a whirligig and we're going to see what air does when our whirligig moves. You will need paper, something to write with, some kind of string. I don't like bubblegum flavor floss, so this is a project supply. You're going to need tape and we definitely need scissors. Step one is you want to draw a circle with lots of swirls. The way I do it is I start in the middle, and it doesn't need to be a perfect circle, and I just swirl out. And my circles are not exact, and it's okay. And then just a little kick at the end. Next step, it's going to be cutting. Cutting works best if you keep an elbow on the table, scissors point up, and you move the paper. And I know a trick of a whirligig. It just looks a little bit fancier if you round all the edges to start. So I'm just rounding off my starting edges. But you don't need to. I just do it to make it fancier. Now I come here to my starting line. Scissors point up, follow the line, and cut around in a circle. My line's got a little close, so when I get there again, I'm going to make sure I don't cut it so it goes through. I'm leaving everything on for one big spiral. Around and around Miss Bush goes. I was thinking that this week is the holiday called Earth Day. See how I had to kind of not cut on the line there? I made it so it didn't get too skinny. For Earth Day, we celebrate going outside, and whirligigs are a fun project to take outside. So I'm hoping some of you will have the chance to go outside with this whirligig and maybe run around in grass or run around on a sidewalk and see how this whirligig moves when you run. Earth Day is all about enjoying our planet Earth and enjoying nature, and it's a special holiday. Let's see. Almost there. A man in Wisconsin is the person who started Earth Day. And Wisconsin is very close to Minnesota. So we can be proud of Earth Day. I'm almost to the end. And I didn't get it perfect. There's lots of little mistakes I made. And it's okay. I just did my best. You can make more than one. You can color it in if you want. I'm going to try and get my whirligig to lay down a little bit on the table. There you go, whirligig. I need a piece of string, and I'm using dental floss. Now, as I said, in your twirly bird, you told me that air was causing it to move the way it did. In your parachute, it caught air, making it float slow. So what is happening in a whirligig when it moves? That's what I want to know about when you post your work in Seesaw. Getting my whirligig up. This one's big and long. Just sit still when I sit like this. But if I go for a run with it, it's going to move different. So your job is to make a whirligig and then give it a try. And you can even see just a little spiral of how it might move. How does it move and what's making it move that way? Have fun exploring and investigating science, and I can't wait to see what you do. I get so excited when I see your pictures on Seesaw. Thank you, first grade.